you go. This is it. I actually like the packaging because there's minimal plastic. This is really good. There's cardboard, that's recyclable. Here's the instructions. This is all recyclable cardboard. That's excellent. Okay, there's a little bit of plastic film on here, but that's really a thumbs up there for Amazon, the fact that they've minimised the plastic in the wrapping. And so here we have got a bit of plastic here, but it's not much. So just there you go. And here you go. You could play Skittles with that. Here's the first look at it. This is all the speaker, and it's a rubber base, so that's going to be quite secure. They can feel the rubber there, so that won't slip much. So that's around the length of the cable. Plenty enough cable there. It also comes with some basic instructions, but to set up your Echo Dot, you will need to download the Alexa app, which is free, and I'll show you how to do that in my Echo Dot 4 setup guide at the end of this video. Well, thanks for making it to the end of this video, and if you liked it, please thumbs it up, and please also subscribe for a lot more tech reviews to come, including my full review of the Echo Dot 4, which should be coming up here, and my how to set up your Echo Dot 4, which should be coming up here. Well, I hope to see you all very soon, and thanks for watching.